and due out. Early lead is taken by the favorite 5 Bull from the outside. Hello Katie in between horses, Thunder Cut, and bring up the rear is Kadlayawan. And as they lead the straight, it's Hello Katie by the wall. On the outside is 5 Bull and Thunder Cut running in third by 2.5 lengths, and bringing up the rear is Kadlayawan. And heading for the back stretch, it's Hello Katie by 2.5 lengths, followed closer by 5 Bull in second, and running in third remains entry number 3 Thunder Cut, and Kadlayawan is the tail ender. At the mid back stretch, it is still Hello Katie by a length and a half, followed by 5 Bull on the outside in second, and closing in third by 2.5 lengths is Thunder Cut and Kadlayawan. And rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by 5 Bull from the outside. Moving up on the farther outside is Thunder Cut, but it's still 5 Bull in the lead, followed by Thunder Cut on the outside, and moving up once again on the inside is Hello Katie, and the tail ender is Kadlayawan. At the last bend for home, it is still the outstanding favorite 5 Bull leading the field by 2.5 lengths. Hello Katie remains in second, and running in third by 3.5 lengths, Thunder Cut and Kadlayawan. And into the home stretch and nearing the fourth line, it is still 5 Bull, the outstanding favorite. And finally, at the fourth line, the winner of the sweepstakes race, the horse of Mayor Bernard Abalos, 5 Bull. While entry number 1, Hello Katie, took second, Thunder Cut settled for third, and number 4, Kadlayawan fourth.